Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eizy from Eizy Customizer, and I'm back for another video. Well, this time around I just want to show you guys the current progress of my recent project. Well, this is the high grade Glaive unit 2, the Adeltrud, a transformable custom build. This unit can transform into a bird, and I'm currently making dual swords for the main weapon for it. I just want the unit has 3 different type of weapons, like the close range weapon, the medium range weapon, and also the long range weapon. Well, while in the mecha form, it can use the dual swords and a rifle attached to it, that I will show you guys the rifle in the video later. I put the dual swords onto the back of the wings, so Adeltrud can reach that weapon pretty easy. For the wings, in the mecha form, are attached at the back of the Adeltrud using the articulated joint, so the wings can move around and make some dynamic poses. The wings parts are actually, I got it from the Mega Shiki, the high grade from the Build Fighter series. If you guys remember the purple Gunpla from that series, and the black wing is actually from the backpack of the high grade Strike Noi. The articulated joint for the backpack and the wing are actually from the Kotobukiya parts. For the dual swords are attached to the backpack, like this one here. Next is the arms of Adeltrud. Well, the arms in the mecha mode and while in the bird mode, those arms will turn into legs for the bird mode. The legs for the bird are actually parts from the Regin Lace Gunpla from the Iron-Blooded Orphan, while the arms are actually from the Hyakuri, the same from the Iron-Blooded Orphan series. I just want to do some simple kit bashing here between these 2 parts from different Gunpla. Using just a drill a 3mm hole, and using the 3mm pack that comes with the part from the Regin Lace for the leg of the bird. Since this is the parts former transformation design, so I don't have any problem with you need to deassemble some parts and assemble them back. Just want to turn them into something else. Next is the leg design for the Adeltrud, and also the wings for the bird mode of Adeltrud. The legs are actually from the Gunpla, well, I can't remember. Oh yeah, that is the Lightning Zeta Gundam from the Build Fighter series, if you guys know about that kit. This is actually from the previous or from the old design of Adeltrud. I'm reusing this part again, so well, now I can only use the skeleton, and I just want to add some armors onto it. This part here is actually a thruster for the bird mode of Adeltrud, so it will reveal after the leg transform into wings for the bird. The side binders also detachable, like this one here, for the wing transformation. For the side skirts here, I'm using parts from the Lightning Gundam, different parts from the Lightning Gundam, the side skirts, and also the wings. This one I got it from the backpack from the same kit. There are reasons why I make this side skirt looks pretty wide. First thing is, just want to cover up the inner structure of the Adeltrud in the mecha form. Secondly, there's a mini thruster attached to both side skirts. The thrusters can be used while in the mecha form and also in the bird mode. And at the same time, the side skirts can help to cover up the head part while in the bird mode. Well, you guys can see that one in the transformation later. This is the medium range weapon for the Adeltrud. The parts are actually from the Mega Shiki Gunpla from the Build Fighter series. I'm still designing this rifle here. That's why you guys can see there's two holes there that I drilled. Well, the rifle is actually can turn into the tail of the Adeltrud while in the bird mode, because the rifle is going to be attached at the back of the bird. And also the weapon here, the rifle can attach to the backpack while in the mecha form too. Adeltrud can hold the weapon pretty sturdy and pretty nice. It fits from the original design that I made. Yes, the fun part is here. I'm going to show you guys the transformation for Adeltrud in mecha form into the bird mode. Since this is the parts former, so I need to assemble every parts starting from the backpack, the wings here. Next is the rifle and also the legs. Next is to turn the Adeltrud upside down like this, turning the eagle head, reposition the main body part for the bird thanks to the Kotobukiya double jointed here, so it can turn into like this. For the arm of Adeltrud, you need to turn it like this so it can become the legs for the bird mode. Turn the side skirt to the back and make it like this, so revealing the mini thrusters towards the back of the bird. At the same time, the side skirt will help to cover up the main cockpit of Adeltrud and also the head part for the bird mode. And then turning the claws for the bird leg like this. If you guys notice that there's a small piece or small part under the eagle head, well, that is actually the mega launcher while in the bird mode, so Adeltrud can use that weapon while in the bird mode. Next is the rifle. Well, the rifle is actually the tail of the bird, so it's going to be attached to the back like this one here. There's a small hole on the cockpit there. Next is turning the legs into wings for the birds. Well, this is going to be a bit tricky because I'm going to show you guys the step by step combining the wings from the backpack to the legs. For this one here, the legs are actually acting as a skeleton for the wings. It is also using the same articulation like the normal legs from the other mecha. The legs will become like this and revealing the thrusters for the wings. For the wings from the backpack, I need to open up like this one and then move the swords to the front like this to attach the wing onto the legs. There's a peg there, so just simply put the articulated joint inside And here's the wing. Well, this is the same articulation like a normal bird. What a bird wing can do, it can move around like that, it can flip up and spread. So I made the other side of the wing here, and we're going to attach the wings to the bird. This is the same joint like a normal leg design of a mecha, so there's no difference between this joint in the mecha form and the bird mode. It is the same articulated joint used for both modes. While in the bird mode, there's a 4 thrusters at the back, there's a 2 on the wings, and the other 2 at the bottom here, the small one. For the head articulation, the mouth can open, can move up and down, and comes to the legs here, there's the same like a normal bird. While in this mode, the wings are the only part that has a lot of articulation compared to the others, because the wings can flip, can spread, and can turn around. It has the most what a bird can do. The same, because I made some research on how a bird can move, how the bird's wing can, flip, fly, spread, close, or even stay like that. At first it's kind of tricky, and it's kind of mind blown of how to make the wings move like that and can turn into a mecha form in a cool way. Well, I managed to do that. One of the dynamic poses of a bird that I really want to do with this Adeltrud is this a flight pose. It is like it's chasing something while in the sky. So that's all the update progress of this high grade Glaive Unit 2 Adeltrud, including the transformation. This is the 3rd design. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking, what your opinions on my builds, and also you guys can follow my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in the description down below, you guys can follow that up. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.